But the Lord is faithful, and he will strengthen you and protect you from the evil ones. Second Thessalonians. Mama, listen. This word is tough, okay? Second Thessalonians 3:3. We got it. J'ai aussi écrit ça en français, si tu lis pas en anglais, si tu lis pas bien en anglais. Que Dieu vous bénisse. Let's get into this video. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be doing a hairstyle. I look like a Cynthia doll right now. So what? Je vais vous montrer notre coiffure pour cette vidéo ici. If this is your first time, don't forget to like, subscribe, thumbs up, and also press the notification bell to be notified every time I post a video. You know what I'm trying to say. With that being said, let's just get started with this video. I was sent a package by a company called AISI Beauty. I don't know if I'm pronouncing the word right, but they sent me a couple of crochet slash their, let me make sure I got the product correctly. Okay, so they sent me their Passion Twist Hair Water Wave Crochet 6-pack 18-inch soft, super soft, lightweight, natural passion twist hair synthetic crochet braid extensions in this package. That was a lot to say, but they sent me their passion twist crochet to make it a lot shorter than what I just said, and it's in here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to show you guys the package. It came in a regular Amazon box. It's an Amazon company, so yeah, ils m'ont envoyé. So the hair looks like this. It's like this. Really, it's actually not bad. Like, you can crochet your hair like this, or you can twist it, what I'm about to do. So it's a really nice little bounce with it. It got some bounce. On va saper comme jamais. It is 1 a.m. in the morning. I'm going to do a voiceover just to hype up, speed up, speed up the video. And hopefully you guys like it. Hopefully I like it. That's the most important part. Hopefully I like the hairstyle. And the back of my braids is not the usual braid. I braided my hair in the back differently than I usually braid it in the front, if you guys can hear me. So this right here is a lot different than how I normally braid it. And then I have rubber bands in my hand, because bands gonna make it dance. Wow, it's too early for that, too late for that, too late for that. Yeah, I have rubber bands in my head. So let's just hope this hairstyle is cute. Let's get into this voiceover, and yeah. Wow, I sounded very dry in that video. If I'm echoing right now, that's because I'm in like in a empty room. So yeah, science. Thanks science. What happened if you're in an empty room? Your voice echoes. Anyway, today, well, they sent me rubber bands and also like these accessories. They sent me 4 accessories. That is so petty. 4? What am I gonna do with 4? Tie a knot? Anyway, so yeah, the hair was like that. I stretched it out, and then I started crocheting. I decided to do it this way because I didn't want that hump that I have when I do crochets. J'ai décidé de faire mes boucles comme ça parce que j'aime pas que quand je trace mes cheveux avant que je fais le crochet, j'ai les bumps là. C'est que tu vois quand on sort ma boucle, hein maman? Et ça est différent. J'aime pas que les tresses lacées que j'ai en bas là. Ah, tu as compris, hein? Tu as compris. So basically, this is how the hair looks like. I started off with the crochet in the back because I wanted to speed up my process. All the way around the head, sis, we ain't got time for that. This hair was by far the best hair ever. You can wear it without twisting it, but I wanted to try to twist the passion twist version of the crochet, which was pretty smooth. It didn't take up a lot of time. It covered the back just fine. I really like this hairstyle. Like, the amount of compliments I received. Sis, what? They sent me 6-pack and I used 5. It all depends on how thick your hair is. I used 5 packs. And yeah, so overall the hair was like this. It looked really nice. The twist was very different. I think when you twist it a certain way, it comes out really different. The bottom was kind of, you know how the bottom usually is. I had to trim that. And then moving forward to my front, you know, you gotta look cute when you do your hair. Yes, I do. Y'all watching me, I look cute. So anyway, overall, the back was covered. I was kind of worried that the back wasn't gonna be covered. I was worried that I wouldn't have a lot. C'est en train de me faire un peu peur que ça va pas être beau. You know, ça va pas être beaucoup, mais c'était beaucoup. Suffisant, c'était pas. Yeah. So so moving on to the front. This is where I wanted to focus on my tutorial on, was the front. Now, what I did with this front was a mistake on this part. When you do this, do not do this, okay? You don't want to crochet it and then wrap the crochet along with your hair. Faut pas faire ça. C'est ça ici. Faut pas faire ça. This was the mistake that I did the first time, so I decided to leave it in case somebody does this mistake when they're doing theirs. Don't do it like this because you have this big knot. What you want to do is what I'm about to show you. So this is what you want to do. What I did was I used the Argan oil edge control, but I recommend beeswax a lot better. Reason why I say beeswax is a lot better to use with this twist style is because when you twist your hair with the crochet, it will attach itself better. So listen, this is what I was talking about. You want to get the crochet around your natural hair, and then you want to pull your natural hair and then attach your natural hair to the crochet. And this is where the edge control, which I recommend beeswax, come along. As you twist, you want to apply the beeswax with the crochet. So let's redo this. You want to get the edge control, do that with it at the roots. You don't want to tie your rubber band too tight because you're going to apply the crochet stick through it. So when you apply the crochet around the rubber band, you get the crochet, you loop it in, attach the crochet only, and then you stretch your hair out to tie everything together. And then you get your natural hair with the crochet, apply your edge control as you are twisting, which is why I recommend the beeswax edge control, because that will actually glue it all together without your hair coming out, you know, during the day. So let's redo this again. Get the crochet around your rubber band, stretch your hair out, and then you get your natural hair, you stretch it out with the crochet, and then you start twisting down with the rubber band. So with the crochet, sorry. Basically, it's a simple step. You don't want to crochet your hair and wrap it around the hair. You want to crochet your hair around the rubber band, and then you stretch your hair out. So let's redo this again, okay? Because I know some people be like, what? Bruh, you're horrible. I know. That's why I did it 3 times or 4 times. Anyway, get the rubber band, get the crochet stick. You see what I'm doing right there? Get the crochet through the loop, stretch the crochet out separately, and then you stretch your hair out just to close that tightness, you know, secure the crochet together. And then you start twisting along with the edge control. As you twist, you add your edge control through the twist. As you twist, you add your edge control, so that way it can blend the hair together with the crochet, if that makes sense. So this is how it's gonna look. So far the hair was beautiful. I love it. It's very, 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 very nice. So this is the ghetto part, okay? Because I'm just ratchet. Don't use a scissor right here, all right, sis? Get you a natural scissor. I don't know what I was thinking, okay? I was just lazy. Get you some good scissors and start trimming. Sis didn't have time to be looking for scissors, and it was right in front of me, huh? It was right in front of me. So yeah, take your time, get you some nice scissors and start trimming. and this is how it looks. So far the best. This is by far my favorite hairstyle. Like, it's really nice. Like, when I tell y'all it looks so good, I was like, sis, you look good, you look good. Now go get you a husband because you look good. Okay, so my edges, I do this a lot with my edges. I use argan oil if I don't have, you know, the time to get my good edges, aka if I'm broke. And I mix that with my Got To Be gel, and that helps it to be secure all day, and it gives me that strong extra hold that I need. Some people say, won't you just use a black Got To Be gel, sis? No, I like this technique a lot better for myself, because it also not only does it keeps my edge control in place, but the argan oil is an oil-based type of edge control, so it kind of moisturizes my edges at the same time. So yeah, hopefully you guys like this video. J'espère que ça va vous aider à faire votre coiffure. Hope it inspires someone to give it a try. I'll leave the information below where you can purchase it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.